Extraordinary outcomes come from a boundless mind, and a great mind can flourish only when it has the right apparatus at its disposal. Those who work with creative design, modern art, UX design are primarily dependent on the different computer-aided software. Unfortunately, many of the computers in the market fail to deliver enough technical support for the modern-day artistes. They require powerful computing technology, input facilitation, and unparalleled graphical processing capacity for using high-end software. There are few special needs all-in-one computers in the market to serve these creative minds. Among those, Lenovo IdeaCentre Yoga A940 is one. Today we have selected this classic AIO computer for all the creative minds around us.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more next tech reviews. Now let's take a look. Lenovo IdeaCentre Yoga A940 is a classically designed square-shaped all-in-one computer envisioned for the creative professionals around the globe. The AIO computer comes with a 27-inch diagonal Ultra HD 4K multi-touch display, which makes the design work more satisfying. The 10-point touchscreen is capable of taking fast input, and the pen support and content creation dial make the drawing, designing, and modeling work convenient and fun. The Yoga display comes with a tilting option. You can tilt it to 28 degrees while drawing or working on a design. It makes the design much cooler. IdeaCentre Yoga A940 is a powerful computer as the manufacturer provides an 8th generation 4.7 GHz Intel Core i7-8700K processor, along with a turbo boost option ensuring super fast processing. The inclusion of a 32 GB of RAM with a powerful processor complements the powerful processing capabilities of the computer. The graphical processing is supported by a 10 GB memory of the Intel HD graphics processor unit. The Yoga A940 comes with 1 TB solid-state flash memory, and it provides faster access to the storage compared to regular HDD. Windows 10 operating system is installed for uninterrupted touch input. The AIO can smoothly run multimedia software such as Adobe Creative Cloud and other drawing and video editing tools. In addition to these, Lenovo IdeaCentre Yoga is equipped with all other features of modern computers, i.e. USB, wireless charging, keyboard, mouse, digital pen, webcam, etc. In short, it's a perfect choice for creative professionals who are looking for a light-speed computer for their design works. We'll now analyze the users' ratings on this specific Yoga A940 all-in-one computer, which would explain the actual experiences of different users. We find that the AIO has got no review yet, since the AIO computer has just hit the market, but we see one rating was given to the same model with a little different specification, in which the user gave it 5 stars out of 5 stars. Here is the comment from the user. The user who gave 5 stars to IdeaCentre Yoga A940 has written, "This computer is beautiful. I'm new to Windows 10, so still learning how to use many of the new features. I do miss Windows 7, but this computer takes some of the sting out of having to switch by making things as easy as possible." That's all we have on the Lenovo IdeaCentre Yoga A940 for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.